Hey you beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching us the easiest way to craft a culotte pants. So before we do that, like, what is culotte? A culotte pants are basically a junior skirt that starts with a flattering fit at the waist and ends with a wide straight pant leg that is somewhere above the ankle. So now that we know what the definition is, let's get started. So now this is my back bodice. So if you don't know how we got about this basic skirt block, I'll put the link in the description box. So watch the previous video on how to craft a basic skirt block, and then you can come over to this video. But if you know how to craft the basic skirt, regardless of your method, you'll still be able to get this method. Okay, so all you need is your basic sketch block, both the front and the back. Okay, so I'll be working with the back first. So what I'll do is to get my what is it called, the crotch. Okay, crotch. So I'll be adding half inch to it because it's a free pants. The culotte is always free, not fitted. So I'll be adding half inch to my crotch measurement. So I'll put a picture up there just for you to see how to go about that. So after getting the crotch measurement, that's to measure from the waistline to the crotch, then you divide it into two plus 1 cm. Okay, 82 plus 1 cm, that's 3/8 of an inch. So you mark that out. Then what to get my crouch extension, okay, is my hip measurement divided by 8, hip measurement divided by 8 plus 2 cm. Okay, hip measurement divided by 8 plus 2 cm, that is from the center back. Okay, so to get the curve of it, I will have to get my 45 degrees and then mark 2 cm. Okay, from there too, and I will connect. So I'll connect the 3 points with my curve. In case your curve is not able to get to that point where your hip divided by 8 plus 2 cm is, you can just leave it that way. Okay, so that same measurement, that is what I'll mark out, and I'll rule it down. Okay, so can you see, that's what I mark out, and I'm rolling it down to the end of my trouser, of my culotte. So now that I'm done rolling that out, so what I will do next is that, I have 2 darts at the back of my skirt. Okay, so because I only want 1 dart, so I'll be removing the other 2 cm. Okay, I will remove it from that center back line. Please just pay attention and look at what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll remove that 2 cm. We did 2 cm on both sides. Okay, so I'll remove the first dart leg there, that is the 2 cm. I'll remove it and then I will connect it. So can you see that? But if you're using another sketch pattern that does not have 2 darts, you can just ignore this process. Okay, so what I'll do next is, from that point, then I'll take it to my side, then I'll find the midpoint and I'll mark the remaining 2 cm that is left for that placement. We added 4.25 cm to our waist measurement for the back. So I removed the first 2 cm. so I'm left with only 2 cm for the dart, so which I marked out at the mid part, and then what I did is just to mark 1 cm on both sides. Okay, so what I did next is to erase that previous dart which I have already take out from my center back, and then I had to erase off the second dart because I've already backed it out at the midpoint on my waistline. So now you can see. So the next thing to do is I don't want a situation whereby when I bend, that's when I'm done with my clothes, and then I bend and my the trouser is kind of shifting down because of the bum area. So what I did was just to raise it up by 1 inch, and then I connected it back to the side. So that's what I did there, so you can see that. So then now I'm back with my front sketch block. So for this front, I'll be doing according to Winifred Adrich, it is hip divided by 8 for the front minus 2 cm. But if I should do it that way, my clothes will be way too big, so I don't want it to be way too big. Okay, so that's why I'm doing hip divided. So that's why I'm doing hip divided by 16 plus 2 cm. But if you want your clothes, the hem part, you want your clothes to be big, okay, then you can do the hip divided by 8 minus 2 cm. But because I don't want it to be way too wide, excessively wide, so that's why I'm doing hip divided by 16 plus 2 cm. So at the corner part there, I will just like we did for the front, you also divide from the waist to the crotch divided by 2. Okay, so then the next thing I did was just to find the my 45 at angle 45 degrees there. I roll it up by 4 cm, then I connect with a curve. So can you see that? So I connected it with a curve. So because I don't want that at the front, okay, on my clothes, I don't just like it, okay, that being at the front of my trouser. I don't like it for me, but if you like it, you can go ahead with it. So what I did was just to remove, instead of just removing the two, that's all the 2 cm there. So what I did was just to remove 1 cm at the center front, and then 1 cm at the side front. Okay, so that was what I did. I splitted that into two. So it's I removed 1 cm, that's 3/8 of an inch from the center front, and excuse me, and then I removed 1 cm at the side too. So now what I'll be doing is I'm done with my culotte, because that measurement you have to roll it down. So all you need to do is just to add your seam allowances like ½ inch there at the upper part around the crotch, and then like 1 inch or ½ inch there around there, and then you can see ½ inch around the crotch area there, then 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch is fine, okay, around the sides. Then for the end part, you can just do like 1 inch too for the hem, then at the upper part there. So what I did was for the back, I had to roll up the dart legs. You know, I raised the back up by 1 inch. So what I'm doing now is just to roll up, that's 2.5 cm. I rolled the back up by 2. So I had to connect my darts to join, okay, at the waistline, to reach the waistline rather. So now we've come to the end of the class, so I'll see you in the next one. So if you don't want a waist trouser or culotte, so you can cut out your waistband from the pattern by just measuring 1.5
inches, okay, down for your band. So here is my finished culotte pants. You can see me rocking it with my heel and ready to go. So till I come your way next time, have a wonderful day.